Hey guys, and welcome back to this week's video. I just wanted to do a quick little unboxing of the gaming style chair that I purchased on Amazon by Respawn, style 110. I will link it down below. It is not an affiliate code and it is not a sponsorship by this brand. It is my first gaming style chair, and I just went on a whim and I purchased the one that I like the most after watching several YouTube videos. And this is where I'm going to be spending the next 20 months working on my master's degree at for the University of San Diego. It is an online program, so it is going to require me to spend an excessive amount of hours on the computer, so I figured I would invest in a comfortable chair. Now, I am green and I do like to recycle, and the last chair that I had, I did give it away to one of my really good friends, Haley. I will link her channel down below. She is also starting a YouTube channel, more so on lifestyles, and I am very proud of her, and I'm excited to see where we both take our journey as new creators in the YouTube world. I didn't really know what kind of content to film for this week, mainly because in the last video I did say that I was going to, give you guys a briefing on how my first week at University of San Diego went for the online program for cybersecurity. As always, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and follow me on my social medias. Alright, so here you can see that I'm pulling out the base of the chair as well as the back. And this is where we're going to be doing the unboxing. The easiest part of this chair was definitely setting up the legs, because you just pull it out of the box and expand it, then you put the little spring, then of course you just have to do some quick little unwrapping. It's super easy, just use some scissors. And honestly, the hardest part was putting on the back of the chair. It definitely helps if you have somebody else to help you with it, just because I spent the most time, I think, trying to put that on. As you can see here in the video, I'm already getting kind of tired, and it's hard setting this up just sitting on the floor, but how else are you gonna do it? But yeah, honestly, I had a lot of fun setting it up. It is my first gaming chair, so I'm looking forward to using it, and my favorite part is that it does have an actual footrest. Oh, that's real nice.